Smart aquaponics and hydroponics monitoring using IoT. Abstract. Abstract includes keywords, existing method drawbacks, proposed method, step-by-step implementation block diagram, advantages and applications, and software and hardware requirements. Document. In document we can provide abstract, introduction, literature review, existing method, drawbacks, proposed method, block diagram, advantages and applications, software and hardware requirements, results, conclusion, references. Additionally, provide detailed information on MATLAB software, covering its history, capabilities in image processing, and specific steps involved in digital image processing relevant to your project. PPT. Smart aquaponics and hydroponics monitoring using IoT include the following steps: abstract detailing keywords, existing method, drawbacks, proposed method, implementation block diagram, advantages, applications, results, conclusion, software and hardware requirements, literature review, existing method, proposed method, block, advantages and applications, software and hardware requirements. Outcomes. Open the code files in the file manager and copy the code path. Next, open MATLAB 2020 software, paste the copied path, click on the main.m file, and run the code. Choose one option for menu and select an image to process. The first figure represents the leaf input image, the second figure represents resize image, the third figure indicates classification results image, the fourth figure indicates confusion matrix image, the fifth figure represents the fish input image, the sixth figure represents resize image, the seventh figure indicates classification results image, the eighth figure indicates confusion matrix image. In the command window, display the metric values such as accuracy. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030 333 433.